That's not a passing lane. La 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 la. Prius douche. Redundant. Back in the left lane. Yeah. Ah, yeah. The sweet smell of pass fail. All right. Didn't see that going a mile away, now did we? Jesus. I see the mirrors, why don't you use them? Yeah, that wasn't very smart or nice or anything. Cue jumper, jerk face. Was that a red light runner? I think it was a red light runner. Oh, cue jumpers. Wrong lane Corolla. Good for you, princess. No chance she's stopping. None. None whatsoever. Correct. Don't hit me, lady. Thank you. Stop, douchebag. Oh, here's a popular spot that I haven't been to in a while. Always stop. Right? Yeah, always stop. Lyft, Uber, what a shock. Stop and try not to hit me. She beast, will ya? Thank you. Stop. Stop. Always stop. It was green for 1 fucking second, lady. Fuck off. This ambulance coming, I thought it was gonna go for the green. I thought it had the green. Bite me. Yeah, you look like you're in a big friggin' rush, too. Ruining this great song for me. Start again. You're gonna pull out, go a little faster. Let's put it on. Let's stop for the stop signs. Scum everywhere you friggin' look. Stop means to stop. La 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 la. Assholes. You are assholes, every last one. I know you could stop behind me too. You're an asshole. Wait your turn. Let's put it all together. I hope that wasn't for me. Oh, that's why. Is this assing? Yay! How about that curb, huh? How are you doing? Where's your problem, dude? Asshole. Yeah, you're an asshole. You're an asshole. You're all assholes. Yep, no left turn, ass face. Pull out from me, Lang. That's fine. Block the intersection. Dummy. And not stuck for a stop. And there's no left turn into the gas station. Go, 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 go. Stop, 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 stop. Haha. Hey, wow! Idiots everywhere! And thank you! There's no turn on red, so don't bother. Like I said, no turn on red. You didn't stop, did you? You didn't stop at all. No, you definitely didn't stop. Dive. Hi, I'm not here. Now you have your own lane, Camry. Don't jump in front of me. What did I just tell you? Thank you, shithead. Stop. 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 Stop! Stop! That wasn't even close to being a stop. Thank you. Thanks, douchebag. Illegal U-turn and didn't stop hard either. No, you have a red light. No.
With her, I tried everything.
Yep. Red light, you douchebag. I think we can stop here. Oh, wouldn't you stop at a stop sign here? Include me as your friend. I think we can make got it out. Whoa, yeah. Subaru Toyota. Douches everywhere. Road raging peckerheads. Really worth that effort, huh? It's red. Yellow. Red. What the fuck are you doing? Toyo turd. What a moron. What a complete and utter Toyota driver. Stop. Guy behind me's not gonna stop. I know it. I knew it. Can't stop either. Number 3. You're on the road. Nope. Use the turn lane, stupid. That's what it's there for. You don't make a mass hole left, you mass hole. Dipshit. No. Jesus.
Most aggressive reopening plans and has resisted calls for a statewide face mask mandate. Oklahoma City
oh, nice dive, dirtbag.
Coronavirus cases.
Exit dive, yeah.
At 149,
fuck all is.
Meanwhile, backed one of the country's most aggressive reopening plans and has resisted calls for a statewide face mask mandate. Oklahoma City
oh, nice dive, dirtbag.
Coronavirus cases.
I hope that this has changed some people's hearts.
Among those arrested, reality stars Portia Williams from Real Housewives.
What the hell are you doing?
And Yandy Smith from VH1's Love and Hip Hop New York. Ryan Burrow, ABC News. Remember, we are just one
Nimrod.
away on your phone.
Stop. Stop.